My name's Adam, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the new reporting tool for the ii900. The reporting tool allows you to create organized and detailed reports with the images you captured on the ii900 and share those results with anyone. First, you need to move the AS2 files from the ii900 to a new file folder on your computer. Then, open the LeakQ report generator. Accept the terms and conditions. Then you can drag and drop the AS2 files from the new file folder on your computer to the gray upload box on the left-hand side of the screen. All these files will be loaded into the online report generator. To develop a detailed report and estimate the potential cost of your leaks, you'll need to input certain variables like the gas type, pressure in PSI, and the cost of gas per CFM. The one that most people get hung up on is the specific power ratio. If you don't know the specific power ratio for the equipment that you're using, input the value 30. Now that you've got all your input variables, select Generate Report, and what you'll get is a Word document with all the input variables listed out, along with any of the comments that you've included, and a summary with all the leaks listed, as well as their individual and annual estimated cost. Each of the following pages has the individual images of the leaks that you captured, along with any of the other details that you thought were important. Another feature on the reporting tool is the feedback button. This is where we need you to give us your feedback so we can continue to make this tool better and easier to use.